Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a review that I've been wanting to do for a while. Today I'm going to be reviewing products from KAHI. I'm pretty sure you've seen these products before, but the most popular one is probably this one. This product has been really popular. I see it on home shopping and a lot of PPLs on Korean TV shows. It's also featured in a lot of K-dramas. It was even featured in Doja Cat's music video, etc. Let's start with the little one here. This is their Jeju Oil. There's actually not much information about this product, even on the packaging. It does sort of have a semi-watery consistency. It's quite lightweight and it doesn't feel heavy. It's pretty much a face oil. It gives a nice shine to your face. Helps with moisturization. My skin type is combination. This doesn't break out my skin. It gives pretty good moisturization. Probably the only size that they have. I've been using this for a month now, in the morning and at night. The amount is quite small, so it lasts for at least a month or two. It doesn't give any redness to my skin, although it is slightly red. I'm not sure it smells like oil. That's it. Even if I don't pair it with another product, I don't see any big difference in my skin. It just helps your skin have moisture if you're into face oils. This is the EXTIN C Balm. It's a vitamin C balm. It has 26% pure vitamin C. This is how it looks like. It's just white. It has a PAO of 9 months, and you can wear this on top of your makeup. It does thicken the more that you apply, and it sort of has this like semi-oily, semi-creamy texture to it. So it claims to be okay when you apply it over your makeup. I'm just gonna apply it. It does leave a little bit of a residue. I did have highlighter on, but it's definitely gone. I need to blend it in a little bit. So my foundation has come off. It claims that your skin can start glowing after 7 days. I did try this for 7 days. I think it was about 10 days actually. After the 7-day mark, I didn't really see much differences in my skin. It probably does something internally to your skin, preventing melanin production and whatnot. After a while, it will have some buildup. It's gonna have a little bit of a buildup. If you have to retouch your makeup or you accidentally rub your face, you're gonna have a little bit of that buildup. I don't like to use it with makeup. I use it as a skincare product, but even with my skincare products, it has that buildup. I prefer to use this on my hand. This is the Wrinkle Bounce Collagen Mist Ampoule. It has 86.5% salmon collagen. Here you go. I like the spray of this. It's really soft. It just spreads really well. It has a really nice watery consistency and really refreshing. Really nice packaging, really sturdy. Has a really nice spray like I mentioned. I don't know what it is, it kind of stings the eyes, so I usually wait 5 to 10 seconds before opening my eyes again. It's anti-wrinkles. I think it does a pretty good job with preventing any wrinkle lines. Even if I don't have my eye cream, I'll just spray this on. Usually Korean people will carry a mist with them, so this would be a really good one just to refresh your face throughout the day and to do any anti-wrinkling treatment. Moving on to the most popular one. This is their Wrinkle Bounce Multi Balm. It's an anti-aging balm. It has hyaluronic acid, Jeju fermented oil. Just like any of their other balms, you can use it on your neck, your eyes, your laugh line, and even your lips. You have a really nice pink color. You should make a lip tint color like this. It's really pretty. It is a little bit oily. It does feel lightweight, however, it melts instantly. It doesn't apply really harsh on your skin, whereas this one, you have to, I feel like it's just like creating wrinkles. So that I can see the difference, I actually apply this on my neck, the wrinkles, and obviously you can see the oiliness. So I usually apply this at night, and I do have like wrinkles here, so I apply it there just from laying on my stomach like so. And really easy to apply, it just melts really well. And I've noticed a really big difference after 7 days. The wrinkles around here and my neck has visibly gotten smaller. After 2 weeks, you will definitely see a really big difference. I haven't used this on my face yet just because the eyes are quite delicate and sensitive. If I rub anything, my skin will definitely stretch. So today, let me just try it on my face on top of my makeup. I'm actually just gonna dab it because it melts quite easily. A little bit of some makeup residue. This is me wiping it off. Definitely gives more of a dewy effect to your skin. So if you're into that dewy look, you can highlight areas. This is definitely worth the hype. It does a really good job of minimizing any wrinkles you have, Really good for anti-aging. Also really convenient as well. I can definitely see myself purchasing this again. Now that I've tried it, it's pretty good as a dewy effect. It would be really good to prevent any lip wrinkles. With Christmas around the corner, this is also good as a Christmas gift. So anyway, that's my final review of these products. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.